These are my two exercise buddies. This one exercises with me, and this one just sits there and stares. Once in a while she lunges at my legs and tries to trip me and kill me, but generally just lays there. But the good old Roomba, he's out there for usually about 2 hours a day, making the moves with, yep, she just attacked me. Doing good, Roomba. Let's get those miles in. You? Not so much. You're just going to get fat. Fatter. Oh, there you go. Walk, 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 walk. Yesterday, I did 11 and a half miles. All indoors. Because Michigan cold sucks. And I want to move out of this state. 7 months of torture. Don't like it. Don't need it. Meow.